Islamic students, I'm Shakeel Ahmad. Today in history we will discuss the topic the Simon Commission 1927. The Government of India Act of 1919 had stated that a commission would be set up to see the situation, political and social condition of India after 10 years. Uh, and after all, it would compile a report uh, on its findings. By 1927, communalism was at the verge in India, and it threatened to undo any cooperation between Hindu and Muslim. Means the communal rivalry was at the peak between the two communities. The British at the time, the British conservative government feared that it might soon lose power to the Labour Party, which it thought was too sympathetic to the beliefs of Indian nationalism. The conservative political party was in the government, and they people were frightened that another political party, Labour Party, who was very close to the beliefs of Indian nationalism, and the conservative government was frightened that in the upcoming elections the Labour Party could come in the government. So a Labour government might make too many concessions to the Indians. Furthermore, uh, the conservative government therefore decided to bring the date of commission forward even before time, because already it was decided in 1919 that after 10 years the commission would be formed to see the working and proceedings. Now, because of the just for the reasons, the conservative government even before the time decided to set up the commission. So in 1927 it appointed a seven-man committee under the chairmanship of Sir John Simon to consider the situation in India. All the members of the committee were British, and there was no one who was Indian. So the composition of the committee was considered an insult in India, and all the political parties uh, in India became convinced that they must settle their differences and and furthermore work together in opposition to the Simon Commission. Uh, at its Madras session in December 1927, Indian National Congress decided that it would boycott the commission and called for mass demonstrations when the members of the Simon Commission arrived in India. It also made a very important decision for the future of the subcontinent when, for the first time, it came out in favor of uh, complete independence. It means that Indians decided to demand the complete independence. Before that, they were all the time demanding self rule. The commission faced regular protests and demands that its unrepresentative members returned to England. In May 1928, members of the Congress, the League, the Liberals, the Hindu Mahasabha, and Central Sikh League, they met in an all-party conference. The purpose was to draft the constitution which the Indian people thought should be used to govern their own country. Pandit Motilal Nehru chaired the committee that devised the constitution and was contained and it was known as Nehru Report later on.